Hey guys, just want to show you a quick video on how to play music from your iPad to an external speaker. So in this case, I have a Google Home that is right above there. So I'm not going to play the music because YouTube will yell at me and say, hey, you're stealing music, but it's really simple. So basically, this is Spotify on the iPad, customized with this awesome crack screen. So down at the bottom left here, so when you're playing music, you'll see this little icon, which allows you to connect to a device. If you click on that, then you can choose which speaker you want to go to. So in this case, I'm going to go to our basement speaker, and you'll hear it make noise. So now, if I play it plays. So anyway, quick little tutorial. Hope that helped. If you got questions or having issues, let me know. But yeah, enjoy your music outside of your tiny little iPad speakers.